Good morning. This is the Florida State Watch Office Daily Situation Report for 7 January 2009. The State Emergency Operations Center is currently at a Level 3 or monitoring activation status. Nuclear power reactors at Turkey Point, St. Lucie, Crystal River, and Farley are all operating at 100% capacity. All major airports and seaports are reporting no major issues at this time. And now to Amy Godsey for a weather brief.
Thank you, Sam. A cold front with a preceding thin squall line of showers and thunderstorms is expected to move through the far eastern Big Bend and northeast Florida peninsula this morning before moving into central Florida during the afternoon and then through South Florida this evening and tonight. The intensity of the squall line is decreasing as it moves eastward through the morning hours, so with this weakening trend, the threats for severe weather will also subside through the morning hours. However, a few strong thunderstorms may still be possible and could contain gusty winds to 50 miles an hour, brief heavy rainfall, and occasional lightning strikes. Otherwise, scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms are expected with the cold front. Winds will be pretty breezy both ahead of the front and behind the front today. Southwest winds of 10 to 15 miles an hour are expected ahead of the front, with winds switching to the west behind the front and remaining very strong around 15 to 20 miles an hour. Winds could also gust as high as 35 miles an hour statewide today, and a lake wind advisory is in effect for the eastern Florida Panhandle and Big Bend, as well as much of the Florida Peninsula north of Lake Okeechobee through early this evening. Winds are expected to decrease tonight as high pressure moves towards the state. These strong west to southwest winds today will create large and dangerous surf along the Gulf Coast beaches today. The surf will be especially high along west-facing beaches in the Florida Panhandle, and a high surf advisory is in effect until 7 p.m. tonight for Walton, Bay, Gulf, and Franklin counties. The large waves and strong winds will also increase the threat for strong rip currents. A high risk of rip currents is forecast for the Florida Panhandle and Big Bend beaches, with a moderate risk of rip currents forecast for west central and the southwest Florida coast. Dry air moving into the region behind the cold front will elevate the wildfire risk on Thursday, and a fire weather watch is in effect for east central Florida, the Florida Big Bend, and inland portions of the eastern Florida Panhandle for expected long durations of critically low humidity values on Thursday afternoon. For drought conditions, the statewide Keach Byram Drought Index average for the state of Florida is now 519 on a scale of 0 to 800. KBDI values are expected to decrease in the Florida Panhandle and Big Bend with the recent rainfall from the cold front, but with lesser rainfall amounts expected in the peninsula, KBDI values will likely remain steady in the 500 to 700 range throughout the week. Now back to operations.
With the threat of heavy rainfall today, the importance of road safety is critical today. Low-lying areas and roads could quickly become flooded. If you approach a flooded roadway, turn around, don't drown. It only takes a few inches of water to sweep away a person or a small vehicle. Also, debris in the roadway underneath the water could cause significant property damage. If you cannot see the roadway under the water, play it safe and take another route. This decision could save your life. That's all we have for today. This has been the Florida State Watch Office Daily Situation Report for Wednesday, January 7th, 2009. For further information and to learn more about how you can get a plan, please visit www.floridadisaster.org. Have a safe day.